In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you change Venmo profile picture. To change your Venmo profile picture, you have to follow these steps. What you want to do is, first of all, launch the Venmo application on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile picture or initials typically located at the top of the screen or in the Me tab. When you do it so, moving on to the next page, you'll then be able to see this pencil shape icon. You simply want to click that out. As you do it so, you'll then be taken to the edit profile section. So here you could go ahead and either change your name and all that. After which, what you need to do is, in order to change the profile picture, click on the profile picture, and as you do it so, you will then be able to see this remove or change option. You want to click that out, and once again you'll be able to see the option as whether you want to take a photo or maybe import it from the gallery itself. Select either one of it and save the changes. That's how you could go ahead and change Venmo profile picture. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.